Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project, SERAP, has called for the promotion of citizens' actions for transparency and accountability in the management of public funds in Nigeria. The training workshop, organized in collaboration with the MacArthur Foundation, focused on building the capacity of key stakeholders, creating action plans that will promote citizens' involvement in the fight against corruption using community networks, engaging associations, civil society organizations, women groups, people living with disability, and other stakeholders to achieve the goal.
The issue of palliatives that are being paid to poor Nigerians, all the ones that have been allocated to the National Assembly, it means that the various citizen groups can take that up as part of their own advocacy initiatives as well. For instance, members of the National Assembly, of course, have constituents who have voted them into office, who should be able to ask their position of those who represent the National Assembly on important issues like this. That is, should they approve the request of the President for palliative measures for Nigerians, and should they accept the 70 billion naira allocated to them in the first instance? That means that advocacy is growing much more in-depth, and people can now own the fight against corruption and the advocacy for good governance, as it were.
If he built hospitals that are not working, you request for information concerning that from the authorities responsible for building that hospital.
The latter down part of the economic feel I don't care attitude, waiting for somebody to take the lead while they follow. But we are in the new administration. I think we all learned our lessons that there need to be active citizen participation in all tiers of government. Policies are made in Abuja. How does it affect me in my community?
Looking at it now, for my folks and for persons with disability now, it has widened our scope to say we are not left out, because some of, like the Freedom of Information Act says anybody, that means including persons with disability, can also be involved actively in demanding for accountability and transparency when it comes to governance.
Where I live, the roads there is bad, and I've been wondering what I could do personally to probably get something done, because that's been like that for the past, 4 years, and nothing has been done. But now that I know how to draft the FOI, I'll be able to do that for like my community, and immediately I get back home from school, that was the first thing I would do. Now that someone, like, at least maybe personally, I probably make a call or write a letter to somebody, at least I know something is being done. I'd rather do something than not do anything at all.
Mariam, Laudable TV.